Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. And today we have the Boys and Girls Club of South Coast here to do the show with South OC Cars and Coffee. South OC Cars and Coffee is helping them raise money. I see the merchandise tent is back. Simon is back from Las Vegas. He just completed the SEMA show. A very successful show, I might add. There's a big crowd gathered around this car, and you can understand why. This is the Pagani Huayra Roadster. Yeah, wow, check it out. Carbon fiber, teal carbon fiber, and again, you know, they match at the center. Paganis are really more automotive art than they are cars. This mirror is according to Mr. Pagani, is made to look like the eyelid of a woman. Yeah, check out all the little fine details. And here's something, you know, the carbon fiber pattern. I'm not sure you can see it, but you can see the weave. The weave continues onto the next panel, so it actually lines up. That's the attention to detail. Right. So you can see all the weave, one continuous weave from one body panel to the other body panel. That is machined from a piece of alloy. Yeah. Wow. And of course, Montana plates. Yeah. Titanium exhaust system. You can see the Pagani logo on the resonator. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys. And look at this. Yeah. And you can see the AMG engine.
Just let the seats apart. Thanks guys. Any good, Jay?
All right, that Pagani Huayra Roadster. You notice the car is double parked? That's because, well, it's a Pagani. It can double park.
Thanks everyone, appreciate your help.
Okay, the Pagani has been joined by a Koenigsegg. Yeah, so it's Hypercar day. So this is the Koenigsegg Agera, I believe. Yeah, carbon fiber wheels. Wow, carbon fiber wheels. There's the carbon fiber spoiler, and check out again the carbon fiber beading in the center. There's the Ghost logo. 277 miles an hour. Yeah, so this is the Agera that holds the world speed record. And he removed the wrap. It used to be wrapped in this crazy wrap, but now that he removed it, it's now all exposed carbon fiber. And again, same level of detail. You notice the carbon fiber weave from the door lines up with the body panel. Yeah, that's just insane attention to detail again here. The weave lines up between that.
You can actually store it in the front trunk. Okay. Barely. You have to be super careful.
So, record holding Koenigsegg, 277 miles an hour, Agera RS. And here we have Simon's Camaro, back from Las Vegas on the SEMA show. Yeah, supercharged, making something like, I don't know, 900 horsepower or so, but yeah, pretty crazy. And this is his son James's Camaro, also supercharged, but a different setup using a synthetic supercharger, whereas Simon is using the root style supercharger right there in chrome. Well, this is all stealthy black. And then GT4. Wow, McLaren Senna. Yeah, nice. All carbon fiber and also split carbon fiber too. You notice the pattern here? Meets right in the middle. And yeah. So the fiber goes this way, continues that way, you see? And that side, the wave goes that other way. Carbon fiber mirrors. Small little window, enough to pass a, tow road. Well, tow road's automatic now, so they don't use that anymore. I guess, maybe border gate. and the giant top-mounted rear wing.
So you guys work on McLaren?
And the American exhaust. The European model, they have 3 pipes. So two loud pipe and a silent pipe. America, we don't care for silent, so we go all loud. All right, let's look at this Aventador SV. SV stands for Super Veloce. Super Veloce, which in English translates to super fast or super velocity. But yeah, it's SV. And here we have Jay's Ford GT. Yeah, he's back at the show. And here we have Don Davis's, and there's Don, how you doing? All right, and this is his SOC Superlight. So, this is the F12, and it's got an aero, what's called an aero bridge. So air goes in here, comes out there, and then follows and scoops up there to create the downforce. So, interesting way to set it up. Ferrari F430 Spider. This is the new Mercedes SL. Yeah, SL convertible. Cool. First time I've seen one. Yeah, so I used to have an SL.
Sorry, John.
Yeah, I used to have an SL, and so this is the update. There you go. Hey, 2 plus 2. Well, more like 2 and someone with no legs. And check out the size of that iPad. Wow. That's a it's I'm not so crazy about the this trend of just sticking an iPad onto a dash. It looks unfinished. Yeah, it looks unfinished. But otherwise, it's a beautiful looking interior. Here's the wing, SL63. Yeah, so the new AMG SL63 convertible. Hmm. 992 GT3, the GT model. The GT model got no rear seats, so it's nothing back there. Should be a roll cage, but this owner did not order a roll cage. So I got the carbon fiber roof. And continuing, Audi R8, a Viper, Acura NSX, 458 Italia, 600 LT, 458 Italia, 720 Spider. Yeah, 720 Spider. It's a perfect convertible, made for California. So this little windshield goes up and down, and to improve visibility, there's a little glass here that you can see through it. So the driver, when they're looking out, they can see through that and instead of being blocked off. And this is part of the aero, I guess an aero bridge where air goes in here and helps channels everything. 488. I call this the forgotten Ferrari because this replaced the 456, which is legendary. And this, and then after the 488 came out, they replaced it with the F8. The F8 is well known. 458 is well known. The 488, forgotten. There you go. The wagon, Mercedes wagon with the side pipes. Side pipes. And then we have the Lamborghini wagon, the Urus. Yeah, this is the world's best-selling Lamborghini. The Urus is responsible for more than half of all Lamborghinis sold. It outsells every other Lamborghini model combined. Yeah, this is Lamborghini today, SUV maker. Here we have a couple of C2 Corvettes. We have here a convertible. Yeah, complete with the nice side pipes. Yeah, side exhaust. There you go. 4-speed manual transmission. Big wooden steering wheel. big dials on the gauges. Yeah, gotta love it. And it's a convertible. And next to it is the coupe version, but this one had a heart transplant. So don't know what happened to the original engine, but the owner replaced the engine with a new LS3. Yeah. Oh well, why not? Why not? I guess. Yeah. If you your engine break, you might as well replace it with a new LS. Whoa, an El Camino SS 454. Big block Chevy inside this under the hood, and the Corral introduction. Yeah, that's a kind of. So this thing pops down and pops up. It pops up to get more air into the engine. All right, check out the new BMW X7. Yeah, wow, it's the kidney grille. This is the BMW's ultra luxury SUV.
So this car is essentially an X5.
Wow, check that out.
It's the same.
Look,
Yes, the X5.
that's wow. This is brand new. I can smell the leather. That long screen. Very luxurious. I like this. That lights up. M. Wow. LS swap. And then an El Camino. And this one has a Corvette engine, a motor from a Corvette. Nice. Decimoto Pantera with a body kit. Has a wide fender flares and wow, it's making 640 horsepower. Okay, fuel cell. Mid-engine. Yeah, the great thing about the Pantera is the engine bay is, it's all engine bay. You can clearly see everything. Easy to work on. It's a transmission you can see right there. And even enough room for a fire extinguisher because you'll probably need it. Check out this vintage Volvo. Yeah, vintage Volvo. And look at that. It is so big. I believe those are the original air cleaners. Wow. And here we have some Nissan Z from the SoCal Z Club. Yeah, that's how you identify yourself. Show off all the, and that's basically it. So, yeah, the SoCal Z Club. Only 3 cars showed up, but at least, they made their presence known. Haven't seen this Corvette and this dog for a while. How you doing? Oh, yeah. I miss you. Haven't seen you for a while. Where have you been? Okay, this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you're in the SoCal area, you're a car enthusiast, this is the place to be on a Saturday morning. John Chow from JohnChow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please like, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.